Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Gooseberry chutney for the holidays and for any celebration. We are gonna have it with a delicious pork and crackling skin. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add 2 1/4 cups of cranberries. And I started with 2 1/4 cups because that's what the package came in with. Then I add a cup of small diced red bell pepper. From my frozen tray that you're gonna learn soon how to make, we're gonna add 6 tablespoons of cilantro, which are actually 3 ice cubes. Then we add 1/3 cup of brown sugar and just a pinch of salt. It is important to have the salt so that all of the flavors jump right out. 1/2 teaspoon of ALLSPICE, and we're ready to put everything in a pan. Bring this to a boil, cover it, and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. That is it. So this is a delicious sweet and sour chutney. We can also use it for turkey. It is delicious, something you can make all year round and enjoy. It keeps refrigerated for 1 month and is always perfect. Keep it in a jar that has a big top so you can scoop out tablespoonfuls. They are delicious. You are gonna love it and make it anytime. This is a great and amazing recipe. Enjoy the gooseberry chutney that is more fruit than ever with spice, pepper, and lots of love. From Chef Pachi, eating delicious food can be healthy and help you lose weight. Scroll down for the recipe. You can print it. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.